free gas, multiple home sites, rolling Kentucky land, and the sellers are motivated. Let me show you why this farm deserves a serious look. This is one of those properties buyers ask for all the time and rarely find. Sitting conveniently along Route 3, this Kentucky farm offers beautiful rolling acreage that's usable, accessible, and full of potential. and you've got infrastructure most rural properties simply don't offer. The land already includes an 1,824 square foot mobile home, plus 2 additional home sites, giving you flexibility to build, expand, or create a multi-family setup. That's perfect for extended family, rental income, or future resale value. Opportunities like this don't come around often. Outbuildings matter, and this farm delivers. There's a barn, 2 garages, a carport, and even a traditional canning cellar, ideal for storage, homesteading, or hobby farming. Every structure adds real utility, not just charm. Location is another big win. You're within an hour of Dewey Lake, Paintsville Lake, and Yatesville Lake, making weekends about fishing, boating, and outdoor adventures without sacrificing everyday convenience. The sellers are motivated and open to all offers, which makes this the kind of property where smart buyers move quickly. If you've been waiting for land with freedom, function, and financial upside, this Kentucky farm checks the boxes.